In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show ads on specific devices on Google Ads. Targeting by device helps you put budget where it performs best, boosting visibility on mobile, desktop, or tablets based on your results. First, go to Google Ads in your browser and sign in. You'll land on the main overview page. From here, click Campaigns. This brings you to your campaign list. Depending on your layout, you might see campaigns in the top bar and again in the left-hand menu. Either route gets you to the same place. Open the campaign you want to adjust, so the changes apply exactly where you intend. With that campaign selected, click Settings in the left-hand menu. You're now in the campaign level settings area, the right place for budget, networks, locations, and, most importantly for today, devices. Make sure you're viewing the campaign settings rather than account settings so your edits affect only this campaign. Next, click Devices. By default, Google Ads can show your ads across computers, mobile phones, and tablets. Here you'll see performance by device and the controls to influence where your ads show. If you don't see the devices option, your campaign type may limit device controls. In that case, switch to a campaign type that supports device adjustments or make changes at the level that's available. To prioritize a device, use the bid adjustment column. Increasing the percentage tells Google Ads to bid more on that device. Decreasing it dials back spend. For example, if mobile leads convert efficiently, you might add a positive adjustment to capture more of that traffic. If a device isn't relevant, set the bid adjustment to -100% to effectively exclude it for this campaign. Before making changes, review performance metrics by device conversions, cost per conversion, click-through rate, and engagement. This ensures your adjustments are grounded in data. When you boost mobile, confirm your landing pages load quickly and are easy to use on smaller screens. When you emphasize desktop, make sure your path to conversion suits longer research sessions. Accurate conversion tracking is essential, so the by-device data you're seeing is trustworthy. After choosing your devices and setting bid adjustments, review your selections and save. Give the campaign time to collect fresh data, then check results and fine-tune. It's often better to make incremental changes, like moving from a 10% to a 20% increase, than to swing too far at once. That's it. Go to Google Ads, click Campaigns, open your campaign settings, and use devices to choose where your ads appear. Thanks for watching and happy optimizing.